Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. All right, so now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Pivotify. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Saiful Izam bin Hassan, and it is priced at 299 US dollars to buy. Currently, the version is 1.0. Now, scrolling into the description, this is described as an event driven trade management system. All right, and it is built around a matrix of triggers rather than something that generates its own market entry signals. Okay, the listing frames it as a command center for managing positions, trailing stops, and account level risk conditions. Going through the core advantages, this includes daily profit and loss limits, margin protection, and dynamic risk calculation. There is an advanced trailing setup with standard trailing stops, break-even reinforcement or break-even enforcement, and equity-based trailing floors. All right. And there is also what the listing calls naked pivot architecture. All right, which maps and protects pivot levels and recalculates safe zones based on volatility and spread, along with handling for dynamic spreads and off-quote errors to reduce execution failures. Okay, so now moving into the input parameters, money management options include fixed lot, auto lot, or equity based scaling with daily loss and profit thresholds. All right, a maximum account drawdown limit and a minimum free margin fail safe. Trailing and execution settings include point based, ATR based, or moving average based trailing modes, break even triggers, a global equity trailing function, and a basket take profit target for closing a full group of orders together. All right, so the trigger matrix section describes a large set of conditional rules based on account equity, margin percentage, profit or loss movement, spread limits, price levels, and open position counts, each with its own on and off toggle and threshold value. Okay, so I do want to flag something important here before the back test. Nowhere in this listing does it clearly describe what actually triggers a new market entry. All right, the features described are almost entirely about managing existing positions and account level conditions. Okay, not about generating buy or sell signals in the first place, right? So let us quickly head over to our strategy tester now. Let me show you the back test that I ran myself. And this lines up with what I just flagged. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, right? And by the end of the test period, the account showed a very small net loss of about $186. Okay, so now let us break down how it got there. This test covered XAU USD on the H1 time frame, right, from the start of January through mid-July 2026 with history quality of 100%. Now, across the entire test, only 3 total trades occurred and all 3 closed as losses. You can see 100% losing trade. All 3 closed as losses. That is an extremely limited amount of activity for a 6.5 month window, right? The test conducted over about 6.5 months, and we are having just 3 trades, right? So it lines up with the listing not describing a standalone entry signal system. Okay, so given how few trades we are generated, or rather given how few trades these generated, there is not nearly enough data here to evaluate. to evaluate this as a trading strategy on its own, right? It is possible that this tool is meant to be paired with a separate signal source or triggered manually through its conditional matrix rather than functioning as a self-contained signal generating expert advisor, right? So that should be something that you put into your consideration if you are interested in this expert advisor. Okay, but it does not necessarily, rule out the fact that you of course you are free to still test the EA across, different currency pairs and different time frames if you wish to, to see if you're going to get a different result, right? But based on what we've analyzed so far, of course, we can see that there was not much emphasis, rather there was no emphasis placed on an entry technique or such, right? So who might this expert advisor be suitable for, right? Based on what we have observed, from the marketplace page, from the back testing that I just showed you, this looks like the expert advisor is designed primarily as a risk and trade management framework rather than a standalone strategy. And because of that, I'm just going to recommend that if you are interested in this expert advisor, maybe you should consider reaching out to the developer directly, to clarify exactly what triggers new entries. Okay, you want, at least if you're interested in the EA, I feel like you should be able to get an explanation from the developer, because looking at what we have here, it doesn't seem as if there is any purchase yet. Well, no reviews, no purchase. Apparently, it might not be obvious if there is a purchase yet, but it doesn't seem like there is. And the demo downloaded is just few. Okay, so if you are interested in this EA, maybe you like what you see from the description, the developer might he might just be willing to give some information. I don't know about that, but you can actually try reaching out to the developer to clarify exactly what triggers new entries before you consider a purchase. Okay, I would actually advise you not to just jump into purchasing the EA without getting a clarification. So as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, right? So you should get clarity on the entry mechanism first and then test extensively before considering live use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.